Hello everyone and welcome to the Insight channel by GPS Monaco Group. I'm Alexia, Project Manager at GPS Monaco Group, and today we're going to dive into the exciting world of what it's like to be a project manager. If you're wondering what a project manager really is, especially in the field of international purchasing, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore this key role and understand why it's so important. First things first, what is a project manager? The project manager is the conductor of the orchestra, responsible for the overall success of a product purchase, from conception to delivery to the customer, and even beyond. At GPS Monaco Group, we specialize in LED products, home furnishings, decorations, kitchens, luggage, accessories, and stationery. Although we also take on the sourcing challenges posed by our customers for private label and customized products. The responsibilities of a project manager are very varied. First of all, I have to understand the market, and I always start by deciphering our customers' needs. I organize an initial and in-depth interview with the customer to discuss his objectives, vision, and expectations, especially for a customized product development project. I listen carefully to understand the customer's specific needs, budgetary constraints, deadlines, and any other important factors. I analyze the information gathered during the interview to determine the essential features or products they are looking for. I identify the technical specifications required, such as material, dimensions, functionality, performance, etc. I then draw up detailed specifications that summarize the customer's needs clearly and precisely. I include mock-ups, diagrams, photos, or prototypes if these help to illustrate the customer's expectations. I make sure to take into account all legal, regulatory, and environmental constraints that could influence the design and production of these products. I take into account quality requirements, testing, packaging, certification, and logistics depending on the customer's needs. At GPS, we value innovation and are always on the lookout to improve the relevance of our offers, carry out in-depth market research, gather feedback from users, and keep abreast of developments in the industry. I set realistic deadlines in line with customer requirements. I maintain open communication with the customer throughout the process to answer questions, seek clarification, and keep them informed of project progress. All this involves working with relevant departments, including development, product management, purchasing, sourcing, logistics, finance, marketing, quality, and regulatory affairs. My job allows me to interact with suppliers and factories to define my vision of the product while ensuring that they meet customer expectations. This is a crucial step in ensuring customer satisfaction and project success. Here's how we go about defining these needs effectively. We select and evaluate potential suppliers in Europe or Asia according to criteria such as product quality, costs, and delivery times. Logistics management is also important for planning and coordinating the transport of goods from the country of origin to delivery. This can include management of sea, air, and land transport, as well as warehouse and inventory management. We ensure that all documents required for goods clearance are in order and comply with current customs laws and regulations. This may include preparing customs documents, managing taxes and duties, and ensuring compliance with safety and quality standards. The project manager manages production and purchasing costs. This includes transport costs, taxes, and customs duties, as well as administrative costs, ensuring that customer budgets are not exceeded. The project manager must be able to identify and manage import-related risks, such as delivery delays, product quality problems, and exchange rate fluctuations. A crucial aspect of my job is decision-making. I often have to arbitrate between different priorities and available resources. It's a delicate balance to ensure that the project is moving in the right direction. This involves good communication with our teams, our foreign offices and suppliers, in order to keep production going and guarantee its quality. We have to be ready to deal with any changes in specifications during the course of the project. Open communication and close collaboration with the customer are essential throughout the process to avoid misunderstandings and delays. I also work closely with the various departments within my company. Sales teams, marketing, logistics, and quality to ensure that products are delivered on time and meet customer requirements, whether in terms of technical specifications or packaging, for example. The skills required to become a product manager are varied. A solid understanding of business concepts is essential, as is the ability to communicate effectively with multidisciplinary teams. Analytical thinking and problem solving are also key skills. I need to be able to make informed decisions based on complex data and information in the event of an emergency or unforeseen event. Customer empathy is crucial. Understanding their needs and desires is fundamental to finding a product that will satisfy them. Finally, agility and flexibility are essential. I have to be ready to adapt to changes in the market and to feedback from my customers. In short, being a project manager means being responsible for the complete management of a project, from conception to completion and delivery. This role requires skills in planning, organization, time management, leadership, and communication. It plays an essential role in ensuring that imported products arrive at their destination efficiently, meeting quality standards and minimizing costs. It's a role that demands precise management, a good knowledge of manufacturing processes, raw material supplies, for example, and international customs and logistics regulations. He or she must be able to lead a team, solve problems, and communicate effectively to ensure project success. Thank you for watching this video. In a future one, I'll talk you through the product sourcing process. Stay tuned for more content on the exciting world of sourcing. See you soon.